Let's start. First, go to Window, go to Channel, then I don't need remove the blue color, just I wanna need to remove the green or the red color. I think we have red color channel mixed into background. Then select the red, take one copy and go to image adjustment levels. Make level like this. Here. Click OK. Make crop. Apply. Then select red copy channel to make selection. And go to select make inverse because I don't need the background, just I need the sign. Inverse. Then go to layer, make mask. Here we have the signature perfectly.